How to recover disabled Facebook account. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to recover disabled Facebook account. So now go to browser. After you open any browser, go to this website, wiki. So here is it now. As you can see now, this website, wikihow.com/contact-facebook. I will give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. So after you open this website, here it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. So now scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, as you can see now, here it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply. So scroll to down. So here is the option. As you can see now, here it says if your personal account was disabled and you want to recover it, here is the link. So this link was given by Facebook officially. So in order for you to get or to recover disabled Facebook account, just tap on this link. If you tap on this link, you can just go ahead now and fill in the form. After you fill in the form, from that form, now you've provided your email address and you can wait for Facebook to reach out to you within 24 hours or 48 hours with a possible method to recover your Facebook disabled account. That's it, guys, on how to recover disabled Facebook account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.